Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one-stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting-edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Our lead story is about Vivo to launch Origin OS 6 in India, replacing Funtouch OS. Perplexity AI unveils email assistant for Gmail and Outlook. Perplexity AI has launched Email Assistant for Gmail and Outlook, available to Perplexity Max subscribers. The AI agent can schedule meetings, prioritize emails, draft responses, and adapt to a user's communication style. It also answers inbox-related queries like summarizing budget emails or flagging urgent team messages. Users can CC the assistant in threads to automate scheduling, while it auto-labels mails to reduce spam clutter. Perplexity ensures SOC 2 and GDPR compliance with no user data used for training. The launch follows Comet's India expansion. Meta enhances Facebook dating with AI assistant, and Meet Cute Meta has upgraded Facebook dating to tackle swipe fatigue, introducing an AI-powered dating assistant and Meet Cute. The AI assistant personalizes matches, refines searches, and even suggests profile improvements or date ideas. Users can type prompts like "Find me a Brooklyn girl in tech" for tailored recommendations. Meet Cute auto-matches users weekly based on algorithms, letting them chat or pass easily. Meta says hundreds of thousands of young adults use Facebook dating monthly, with matches rising 10% YoY. Xiaomi Pad 8 series to launch with HyperOS 3 and macOS compatibility. Xiaomi will launch its Pad 8 series on September 25th, debuting with HyperOS 3 and macOS ecosystem compatibility. The tablets can function as a wireless secondary display for Mac devices, supporting seamless file and image transfers. The Pad 8 Pro is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Edition processor, boasting an Antutu score of 3 million. It features an 11.2-inch 3.2K display with 345 ppi, 800 nit peak brightness, DC dimming, TÜV Rheinland eye care certification, and anti-glare optimization, positioning it as a premium productivity and entertainment device. Kaspersky and GRAMAX champion women in cybersecurity with resilience in action. Kaspersky, in partnership with GRAMAX, hosted Resilience in Action, the Women Beyond the Firewalls, highlighting women's progress and challenges in cybersecurity. Insights from Kaspersky's Women in Tech report showed 56% see improved gender equality, but many cite underrepresentation and slower career advancement. Leaders stressed mentorship, inclusive hiring, and visibility as key drivers of change. With 25% of its global tech workforce being women, Kaspersky continues initiatives like Empower Women and STEM programs, aiming to foster a secure, diverse, and future-ready cybersecurity industry. Gboard Beta tests, new AI writing tools and keyboard features. Google's Gboard is testing several new features in its beta version, including AI-powered writing tools that allow users to enter prompts for text generation. A new Flick Keys to Enter Symbols option lets users quickly input symbols by swiping keys, similar to Apple iPads. Compact Android devices can now choose to show a number row when typing passwords, saving screen space. Google is also making circular and pill-shaped keys optional after user feedback. These features are still in development and may roll out gradually. Today's AI tool is JobHire.ai, AI-powered job application automation. JobHire.ai is an AI-driven platform designed to streamline the job application process. Users upload their resumes and the AI tailors them to match specific job descriptions, enhancing compatibility with applicant tracking systems, ATS. The platform also auto-generates personalized cover letters and applies to relevant job openings on behalf of the user. With subscription plans starting at $19 per week for up to 100 applications, JobHire.ai aims to increase interview chances by automating and personalizing job applications efficiently. Our lead story is about Vivo to launch Origin OS 6 in India, replacing Funtouch OS. Chinese smartphone maker Vivo has announced it will replace Funtouch OS with Origin OS 6 based on Android 16 in India. Already running in China, the new skin promises smoother interactions, better customization, and deeper AI integration. Vivo's sub-brand iQOO confirmed it will also adopt the new OS. The rollout plan is expected to be revealed in October at Vivo's developer meet in China. The Vivo X300 series will debut with Origin OS 6, while iQOO may introduce it earlier on upcoming devices. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.